Hello, beautiful awakened beings. We are here on the other side of the earth. We're living in a ball of confusion. We're living in a ball of confusion. We are living in confusion. We are living in confusion. We don't know what's going on today. We're living in a ball. We're living in a ball. We're living in a ball of confusion. Amazing it is to be alive. To be alive is to believe. To believe is to understand. Sometimes we get all it together. No, we don't. No, we don't. No, we don't. No, we don't. We don't have it all. Oh no. Oh, oh, oh. I'm singing the blues. Oh. Ooh, my microphone is a low. Drop it 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 low, 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 low. Low, 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 low. So it's a time in your life when you have no idea what the fuck is going on. We tend to say that, okay, we got it. So we tend to have a thing. I should have flipped this camera. I wish I can still flip it. But anyways, we come to a point where we say, hey, I'm good. Yeah, I'm so fucking good. And I got all my shit to motherfucking together. Ooh, this my Coca-Cola. Anyways, but inside you like, oh, I got shit. Yeah. Oh, god damn. Motherfuckers got shit. Damn. Son of a bitch. Ooh, spicy. So we do become abragative sometimes, that we do, but sometimes it is okay to be at your wit's end. It is okay. You got this shit in the bud. You got it. You got everything you need. In terms of learning thyself, we will come to a point where we do not try to communicate. We try to keep everything in. And yeah, if you don't have no one to like talk to or anything like that, you can always try to talk about yourself, talking to yourself. But sometimes when you're talking to yourself, it's like, it's always gonna be a thing, you know. It's gonna be you know, you're gonna feel that like either way it goes, you still gonna have to do what the fuck you have to do to get where you have to get. Amazing. We fail at producing ourselves more. We fail at that. So what? We can still count our blessings, count how many things we have done wrong and change them. The things that we done wrong, we change them for the better. We change them so much, our behavior has even changed. Because when your behavior has changed, we tend to forget. That we are as human as we can be. But we have to be more than just humans. We have to be infinite, multi-dimension beings. Like, come on, honey, child. Ooh, come quiet, baby doll. Let me tell you, let me show you. Let me show thee how to get back to thee. Now, we often forget we love ourselves. And in order to love ourselves, we have to embrace that. We have to come to it. We have to rearrange our things in life. Now, most people don't realize that when we fail to not believe in ourselves and we keep doing the same shit we've been doing to get whatever I need to get, and it's getting old, because you're going to have that one moment, that one whole month to think about what the fuck are you going to do about this. Yes, it is hard. It is hard. But either way, you still got to get the same thing. You still have to get the same thing. Either way you choose to go, you still have to get that same thing. To that same thing you need, you still need it. So what are you doing? You gotta look deep within the way of living. You gotta go inside yourself. You gotta be more consistent, more gentle, more So when we get into a stir up, you starting to stir the pot and it's getting a little too dizzy, You getting a little bit too tired. Life is just all fuckery. You ain't got shit going on. You don't know where the fuck to go. But either way, it goes. Either way it goes, you're gonna have to get that same damn thing. But whatever you choose, either one is the bigger bag, as you say, or this flow with, like, the lighter bag. Which one would you go through? The lighter or the heavier bag? Now it could be anything. We can do anything. It could be anything in this bag. Anything your fucking heart desire, honey child. Yes, indeed, pumpkin pie. Let me tell you, these bags, you can have anything in. But the heavier one, you get more of what you want. You get more of what you want. You get more of what you really want in a heavier bag. But the lighter bag is everything you need. So do you go for what you want? Your comfort zone. Precisely, that is your comfort zone, because you're used to it. And then is what you need. What you want is what you need. What do you need and what do you want? Now, if you can mix both of your needs and wants together, then you're going to have to, then thy answer will come to thee. Then you will see which decision is the best decision. Now, sometimes in life, we do tend to stop loving ourselves because someone told us this, someone told us that, someone said, no, you're not like that, you're like this, you're like that, no. No. I am who I am. So when we get to our home, back to die, da 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 da, meow. Driving on the way to the, driving to the, oh, driving to the, driving to the, oh, it is all the need is the, it is all the, and the is do find, do thy will. Y'all doing, honey child? I know this shit is so fucking hard. Like, you can't fucking eat. You can't fucking sleep a certain way. It gets to a point where you can't sleep, eat, shit, piss, drink, think, or nothing. And this one you have to step back. How did you get yourself thinking? How did you get yourself back into back into your trap? That's how you have to go back to that thing that pull your ass back into your tracks. Now, what was something that pulled you, that made you come to thyself every day, every moment? Like, you have to find that, whatever that is that made you do that. Do it so you can get yourself back to you, so you get back focused on what you need to fucking do. Now, sometimes we have choices. We had plenty of opportunity to do things, and we chose the wrong way again. Sometimes we choose the wrong way again, but you still gonna do the same thing that you was doing to get to the end. And it's always been in your face. It's like always in your face. Like, it's obvious as shit. Like, why wouldn't you do that? Like, the fuck, do it. Just do it. You just, honey child, you guys gonna have to just do it. Like, can't avoid it long. You can't avoid it. What is calling thee, you cannot avoid it. Now, sometimes yeah. Oh, that's on my goddamn eye. I forgot I had my hanky on me. That's sweet. You always got to carry a hanky for your face, because you don't want your hand in your face. So, when we become into thee, we will know. But what is calling thee will come to thee. And you're going to have to come to it. Like, it's going to fucking nod you every fucking minute. You're just never going to give up. When thee is ready, you will understand thee. You will understand thee to the point that you're like, fuck it. I'm just going to do it. Like, please. Please help me. How amazing it is to be a multi-dimensional. TV's about to be in the sky. Oh, they already there. Da, 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 da. TV's about to be in the sky, and that will go your proof. But if you steal a sake, we need our sakis. We're sorry, but we love thee too. But you're our sakis, oh. Meow, 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 meow. So, oh no, that's the wrong stuff. I need to be on the other one. Oh, I am forgetting. Not this. I need to be on the other side. This goes to. Sometimes in our lives, we forget that we are alive too. We're here too. So, always be the kind person. Always be, but don't let no one fuck over thee. Always be thy listening ear, because you might need thy listening ear one day. Always love thyself, and thank you for watching thy joy of awakening. Stay tall.